Hey yo, what is going on YouTube? We back with another banger video, and today Garrett here, he gonna whip the Widebody Scat. Y'all already know. This is what he drives currently in a slow thing right here. He's gonna get to feel real power. I'm gonna turn him into a Mopar head. You got that?
Got it.
Hop in it. Let's go.
I don't know what those do.
Fucking pedals, bitch.
Alright, let's go.
Go left.
God damn.
Bro, these brakes are like, yeah, you feel that?
Damn.
6 piston, baby. Y'all wish Mustang on. Nah, I'm just playing. Okay. You finna get my, oh, I don't have it on me, shit. It's so torquey, the tail just gives out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll be careful.
I'll show you Alright, so slow down. We're gonna turn it into, that's just normal. It's not even, that's just a normal drive mode. I'll show you.
It's nothing. How do I use these?
Alright, so let that fucking go.
Yeah.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold that left pedal until it goes to the lowest gear. When you hold it, it'll go to the lowest gear, and then you just slam it, like gas it, and it'll go. So like do like a 40 roll, drop the fucking. Make sure he don't cut you off. Isn't it different?
Oh my god. Bro, that shit.
Dude, the shifts, right?
God damn.
It'll shift on its own.
Yeah.
After that.
Oh fuck. God damn. That's hella different.
It sounds so good, bro. Alright, let's do it again. Hold it. Oh,
God damn.
no.
Oh fuck.
Bro.
Shit.
I'm telling you guys. This ain't no knick-knack Scatpack. It's a Hellcat. Nah, just playing. Hey, soon we gonna have a Hellcat, bro. What you think?
I'm gonna get automatic now.
Yeah. Yo, there it is. Oh! Yeah.
You need some new tires or some shit. That shit.
Bro, I have good tires.
Fuck. Dude.
Pirellis, they're stock tires. No. Tell me you don't want to be a Mopar head.
I'm gonna...
Tell me you don't want to be a Mopar, bitch.
Mopar.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, yo, that was pretty much it. That's the end of the video. If y'all liked, don't forget to like, subscribe. Stay tuned, because we're going to keep bringing banger videos. And I'll see you on the next one.